Are you tired of looking at that nasty old bathtub drain? Or pulling out yards of soapy hair? With the Universal New Fit Drain Kit from Watco, you can fix it with no tools, no mess, and no sweat. Just apply the silicone, place it over your old drain, and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, it's that simple. Available at a home improvement center near you or universalnewfit.com.